Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can fix your account doesn't exist error in TikTok. So as you can see, I have entered my email but it says my account doesn't exist. So the first method would be to use your phone number. As you can see, there is a phone tab here. So simply use your phone number and continue. The second method would be to make sure your Gmail is correct. Double check what you wrote here in your Gmail or username. So after that, what you can try is contact support, and to do that you'll have to press this question mark button at the top right corner. So it will take you to their support page. So from here you can see some frequently asked questions. So from here you'll have to select recover your account, and it will take you to this page where you'll have to agree and continue, and you'll have to look up your account. So you'll have to enter the username or email of your account that you want to recover, or that is showing the account doesn't exist. So make sure you do it correctly, or you can search by phone number as well. As you can see, there is an option there as well. So after pressing on this, you'll have to press search, and then they will ask you for verification. After you complete your verification, the support team will help you get your account back within 48 hours. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.